Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold?
Good morning! Aiden, start. Good.
Morning!
You have to do the arm. Good morning! Wow! Elephant Aiden is eating his food. Wow! Like a real elephant. Good morning! Mag-start na ako ngayon today. Well, kahapon nag-edit ako. And today I'll start making reviewer. Kasi exam week na ni Lily starting ng 19. Ano na ngayon? 16. Exam na ni Lily in 3 days. ETA. Friday wala silang school. So meron kaming time to review ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have to message, ano pala, Teacher Laika. Hindi ni Teacher Laika. For Filipino. Naku, dami ng Filipino eh. Review ka. Medyo scary. But if you get any paper na written work, please give it to me. So we can use it for review. Okay. Ayun. Anyway. And you, how do you, what addition sentence are you gonna write on your paper today? Huh?
Doctor!
Huh?
Doctor!
What do you call an animal doctor?
Vet!
You're a vet. How do you spell it?
V-E-T.
Okay. And then, what else?
The Z-O-V-E-T. Zoo vet.
Oh, yeah, you can be a zoo vet if you want. And then, how about your math, your numbers, addition? What are you gonna write?
1 to 6.
No, plus, the plus. What numbers?
5 plus 1. What's your favorite number?
Equals your favorite number. Okay, let's try if you know how to write it. Hey, don't take my camera. Hey, Mr. Aiden McQueen. My camera. Wait a minute. Elephant. Don't be an elephant, Mr. Animal. Hey. Here. Okay. Can you do the numbers? I will do it like this. Do your addition sentence. Laki naman. Marunong pala siya. Okay, how about a different one? Sa sarili niya. Oh. What's the next one? Very good.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Very good.
Good job!
Good job, baby elephant. Mr. Zoo Vet. Wow, Aiden is a vet for today. Yo, you choose 3 animals. Okay? Okay, choose. I thought for month. Oh, wow. Laki naman. That's big. Only small one.
Not small one.
Okay. Oh, that's it. 3 lang. Okay, put it in your bag. Here na lang, oh, on the pocket. For the zoo vet to take care.
Ooh.
Are you happy, zoo vet?
Yes, I'm happy, elephant.
All right, let's go.
Elephant.
Let's go.
Yes.
Time to go.
Elephant.
Seatbelt for the mama elephant. mag-ayos mo kami. Okay, natin drop off lang naman tayo. Are you excited for your performance task, Aiden?
Yes.
Aiden is when they ask you, what are you? You say you're a zoo vet. Oh, bye-bye. Bye, have fun. Love you, zoo vet. Do be good.
Where is the towel?
Shower done. Hindi ko alam kung mag-ayos ako ng hair. Medyo tinatamad ako. But I think I should. Kasi pangit na tayo mag-vlog. Pangit pa yun tayo sa camera. Charot. Guys, tayo.
Kuya, thank you.
Hindi sa ano yan, ma'am. Panglabas. Ganyan yung ano niyan.
Sa balot nila yan, ma'am.
So, nakakabit na.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, kuya. Ganda. Ganda. Nag-start ka ng kotse, ma? Okay, buti hindi nabasag. Yes. Ay, bubuuin pa. Sige, mamaya na, te. Mamaya na, bubuuin. Pero laki, ah. Tapos yung mga bata dito. Oh, saya. Tapos talaga ng ganda.
1 hour lang. Amen.
Yes. Bakit? Mommy so sleepy.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Planet Flight Room. You take your order.
Hi, can I have one piece chicken solo?
Bali plain rice or garlic rice and egg.
Plain rice, please.
Okay. Tama yung order sa screen.
Yes, and can I have one McFlurry Oreo?
Okay.
Yun lang, please.
McFlurry, please. McFlurry,
Ay,
please.
dalawa na ito tayo. Doon na.
McFlurry.
Yes, me too.
You don't have McFlurry. The ate said we don't have McFlurry.
No McFlurry. You don't want McFlurry?
I want McFlurry.
Can Grandma have McFlurry?
He wants burger and burger
Hindi ka pwede mag-McFlurry.
Burger ka lang.
Burger ka lang.
Look, oh, I have burger here already in my tummy. Look. It's a big burger. Look, oh, Aiden, oh, I have burger.
Okay, nag-walking ka, tapos mag-McFlurry ka.
And guys, na-drop off na natin si Aiden sa therapy. And ito ay sa tindahan ng mga halaman. Kasi ang Mami Charo, medyo unti-unting nagiging plantita. Sobrang delay nung pagiging plantita ko. Parang yung iba, nag-umpisa nung pandemic ako. Sobrang late na.
Maganda, parang ito, no? Nasa dito sa isa.
Tingin? Tingnan mo kung madaming ano ba? Ito,
Ito, sabi ko.
masarami siyang tangkay.
Isa nito. Tapos okra ka mo, bili
Yung
ako.
bulaklak niya.
Ang tanong ka sa kaya sa
Saan?
okra?
Pwede, bakit bawal?
Hindi, sa motor ba? Hindi ko sa pinila.
Ah,
Sa harap, pwede ito. Baka mga sensitive yung balat, hindi
hindi,
kaya?
kiri lang yan. Tsaka bumabalik-balik naman sila sa asid. Ay, ayun ang labuyo.
Yung sinigang mo, yung sa sinigang nga, ano, ayan yun.
Ito pang sigaw.
Siyaw nyo, tsaka.
Kasi sayang, 50 pesos. Diba?
Saan yung pagsigang?
Ang kapal pala siya. Dito po kami ulit.
Alin mo, yung okra ay kamatis. Ito po.
Magdadagdag daw siya.
Ito. Bali, apat ko.
Apo, sa akin. Papa-brine ko muna yung kay Charo namin.
Papa?
Ano yung brine ba yan?
Hindi.
Tanggalin?
Mga pupatulan. Brain babad ng ano yun.
Oo, pala.
Tingin?
Pwede na ho yun sa kalamansi.
Tingin? Magkano yan? Ba't magkaiba? Ba't magkaiba?
Yung nag-iisa yan. Kasi ito puti. Ano ba?
Tanungin mo kung kailan magdadagdag. Magkaano?
Kalamansi. Mang gusto mo?
Ilan ba kalamansi? Ay, ilan mabinili mo?
Nang alin?
Na, anong tatanim mo dito?
Kalamansi. Kasi di ba sabi mo kailangan malaki?
Oo.
Pwede
Eh, ilan
lang
ba
sa
kalamansi
ganito
mo?
eh. Isa pa lang.
So, ilan bibilin mo? Dalawa?
Eh kung sa'yo naman, iniisip
Hello.
mo nga kung gusto mo,
Hindi,
ito na lang
sige.
sa'yo puti, at least puti.
Okay lang. Dami na naman nating halaman.
Kaya pwede pang patuloy.
So, yung matataas eh, para mapresko eh.
Oo, paloob. Ayun o, ganda nga eh. Ayun o, pang ano.
Saan?
Pang malapit sa table kasi nga eh.
Wala pa po. 3 pa lang po. Talaga siya oh.
Wala niya kasi oh.
Paano mo iuwi yan, Ate Yaya Beth?
100.
Paano mo iuwi yan?
Tayo lang, wala 7.
Ala,
Pag wala 7.
oras na eh.
Eh, ang punta nyo dito kasama si Aiden.
Ito yun sa akin. Halika na.
Kung saan nyo ilalagay yan?
Opo, pwede na po. Ay, hindi ko kaya.
Kakalungin mo na lang yan.
Ito.
Oo, kasi nasisira yung dahon. Ngayon yun na lang, ipasok na natin.
Yung sinabing mag-ipon, ang iniipon halaman.
Halaman.
Ha? Ang
Okay na.
vision nyo halaman.
Wala na yung iba. Halaman. Ito pa yung ipaplaga mo doon. Ay, maano pala ito naman.
Kakalungin mo na lang yan, te.
Ay, naman yan eh.
Tingnan mo na, ipatong mo na yan dito.
Yan, yan.
Kasi baka hindi kasya eh. Yan.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Close ko na.
Pabalik mo daw! Pinayaman niya na talaga sila, nanay.
Ano sabi niya?
Di, babalik pa po kami.
Salamat, Nay. Araw-araw na lang may ano sa atin si Nanay.
My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life.
Actually na, it's anong oras na? Medyo late na tayo nag-pick up. And then realize, nakalimutan ko na yung dismissal nila is early today.
Hi, Mommy.
Lily, you're at the back. Lily, you're at the back. Lily, you're at the back. Stop it, Lily. Oh, Lily, the girl is at the back.
Where are you gonna sit down? Ayan, good afternoon. Tulog si Aiden. So, we're gonna try to be as quiet as we can. Nagnanap kasi siya. Lily's here. Sabi ko mag-nap din kasi mamaya mag-review kami. But, ayan. Sarap ng ano niya. Kung gusto niyo ng medyo malamig, mag-close yun, tapos mag-aircon. Pag sa Manila. Kasi ba init ngayon? Grabe. So, ayan. Ay, ganda ng kulay. Eh, hindi pala siya kuha ng kulay. Pero pwede na. So, we got, ay, kulang to. Ah, dito na. We've got extra seats na parang couches para dito sa sala. So, gawa siya sa kahoy, yung pinaka-katawan niya. And then, we have yung pinaka-sofa niya pa ganyan. Ay, baliktad. Ganyan. So, yung color, super hawig lang din ito. But it's an extra seat. It's nothing fancy. 6,000 na kata to. But it's something that we can use pansamantala dito sa sala. We also got extra spoons and forks. Pinagkulang kasi usually yung mga spoon and fork nila maliliit. But we've got extra ones. Ayan. Well, wala siyang kutsilyo. But I think this is okay. Ito lang ano. Black ano. Ayan. So nice. Eh, pwede na. You can tell na hindi siya super yung mamahaling kutsara na nabibili ko sa Pottery Barley. Wala nung nabili na mabigat. Pero parang pwede na sila.
Ayoko nga lang mabigat. Ng balik. Ay, bigat lang yung
Hindi kasi sabay-sabay.
din.
Pero matibay din. Hindi kasi sa IKEA. Pag IKEA, mura lang pero ano siya. And then this one is ano. Ito kailangan namin for our plates. Plates, spoons, forks. After hugasan, we now have, ang ganda ng color, kitchen towel. So, maganda rin siya kapag, yeah, pwede. So, pag once na nag-wash na plates, we can try with this. And then, hang it dun sa may oven. Kasi ang ganda ng color. Yung siya checkered, black and white lang siya. Ayan. Kitchen towel, hugas, diretso na. So, we have two of those.
Paikutan mo na. Kung papunan na sa plato.
And then, I also got this hooks na ilalagay natin sa ating cabinet.
Sa plato.
And then, ito na yung sa ating ano. Do you remember this, guys? Nagamit natin siya.
Okay.
Let's see.
Wow. So you're gonna have to do this.
Okay, ano. It will be like this. And then the full one. Gusto sana ng aking asawa. Ganito din. Kaya lang, mahal yung ganito pa. Nasa 38. Super expensive.
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. 'Cause I've been dating me my whole life. She doesn't mind.
Importante na lalaban. Let's move this couch. Ano ba? Nalagay. I-fake. Relaxing naman ang purple. Ay, people. Ay! Wow.
Hindi siya maparang mababad.
I have an idea. Kakulay ng kanyang cortina. Wow, pwede ka magtakla ng flowers.
Ayan. Ayan na siya. Pero meron ako yung parang cookies na Brown. Sinasabi ko kaya Bet.
Paglagay ng mga juice.
Ba't ito ulit to? Pinakita ko na to eh. Yes. Pwede rin yan sa labas. Nay, that's not for kids. Where's the kids table?
Here. Yeah.
Huh?
Baby game.
Oh, don't pay that. No, no, no.
Nothing.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Wow, oh. Wow. Relaxing naman yan. Relaxing naman ang everybody naman. Kamusta naman dyan ang nasa Tagaytay?
Mga bakasyonista.
Starbucks, wala lang kape. Ako, wala pang kape. Order tayo ng chicken wings. Buffalo. Hindi ko alam kung ano to isa. Honey barbecue ata. Ay, ito. Korean barbecue. Basta honey something. Korean barbecue at saka cheese parmesan. Kain!
Wow. A fruit fell from the tree.
Harap. Basim lang yung honey. Chicken wings. Kakaiba siya.
Ayaw mo na.
Sure ka?
Pero ba ako?
Kakaiba yung lemon. Ano pa yung first time ko mag-try?
Ha?
Gustuhan mo?
Hindi naman. Ah, okay ah.
Good evening! Wala tayong vlog today. Hindi ako makapag-upload. I'll try to edit this as quick as I can. And probably upload it super duper late. But I don't know how else to do everything at the same time. Because right now we are reviewing for Lily's end term assessment tomorrow. Last yung test niya na final for this school year for language and social studies. So we're reviewing right now.
Oh, wait, I forgot. I forgot. I just remembered the answer.
Okay.
She laughs, I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. 'Cause I've been dating me my whole life.
What did you say you want?
If I get perfect, you give me 1,000 pesos. And if I get one incorrect, I get 5,000 million.
Mas malaki pa yung one incorrect. Grabe. Anyway guys, kumain ng pizza yung mga bagets. And katatapos lang mag-review ni ate. Medyo light lang yung review namin kasi kaya naman daw niya. Pinag-sample ko siya ng mock test and then reviewer sa Wayground, okay naman. But by the way, ito pala yung final ng ating setup sa bahay. Super cozy na niya. I was thinking of moving it there and then dito here. But for now, parang okay na muna to. It's more welcoming, I think. Coming from this door. And then yung sa labas, I think you've seen na kanina. So, ayan. Ito, I got this from Landers. And then, ayan yung in-add natin today. Ilalink ko to down below for those who wants them. Medyo madumi lang siya kasi kumain kami dito ng dinner. But, ayan. Hindi ko pa kayo naikot, guys, sa aming bakuran. But, medyo marami-rami nang nagbago dito. And it's so nice na. Can't wait to drink my coffee and edit a vlog there tomorrow.
That's why we have Azans. Azans for cans is very good. Have you Azans for cans? You should.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.